Hello dear student, as you all know, we had finished our chapter 1 and chapter 2. Today we are going to start our chapter 3. Chapter 3, this is our part 1, give and take. Before initiating this chapter, here also we are going to take a small review of this important points related to numbers. हम सबको मालूम है numbers हमारे लिए बहुत important है. In everywhere we are using numbers. Even in games, in our day-to-day life, numbers are very important. So these points are related to numbers which are very useful for us. Place value, face value, short form, expanded form, count of 10 and 50, skip the number. These points we had already covered in our previous classes. Now in our new chapter, the name of new chapter is give and take. Give means dena and take means lena. In this chapter we are going to learn addition and subtraction. So we'll proceed towards our new chapter, which is give and take in our textbook. Before initiating our new chapter, just look at the answer of page number 20 and 21. Check it and write it in your textbook and notebook also. Come to our new chapter, chapter 3, give and take. This is page number 29. Here, I am Kittu. This is my home. Isn't it huge? House is given, which is very big. It has 100 rooms. Help me in painting some of the rooms. So here, she wants to color, she wants to paint her house. So we have to help her. So here the number table is given 1 to 100 up to 1 to 100. I start from room number 2. She started from room number 2. I add 10 to 2 to reach room 12. She started from room number 2. She wants to reach on 12. So what she did? She added 10 in that. So in this way, she added 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 in this way. She added 10 in that to reach on 12. And paint it. So after 2, she wants to paint the room number 12. Here we can go all the way to the right to 10. यहाँ पर बोला है यहाँ 2 से राइट साइड पे जाना है 10 तक. Then up to 11. यहाँ से जाने के बाद then 11. And 1 step right to 12. 11 से 1 step right जाना है. Okay? To reach 12. This is one way to go from 2 to 12. ये एक वे है. This is one way. इस तरह से आप जा सकते हैं 2 से 10. Similarly, we can is there a shortcut? ये क्या shortcut way थी? Of course, follow me. This is the shortcut way which we are going to learn right now. We can jump up 1 row. इस तरह से जाना हमारे लिए shortcut है क्या? So this is not shortcut actually. To go from room number 2 to 12, we have to go right first, then up, then again 1 step right. So now we are going to learn the shortcut way. We can jump up 1 row. We can go directly up
in this way. So how? In this way. See, in this way, when we are adding 10 into, it will become 12. So in this way, jumping upward. So 2 plus 10 become 12. As we have learned in our earlier chapter, previous one chapter, jumping animals, similarly like this, here we are adding 10. A jump from 2 to 12 is like taking one step. यहाँ पर हमने one step लिए, one jump लिए, इसलिए one step complete किया है. Here we are completing our page number 29. Come to page number 30. Here also. Now try one jump up from 14. Here 4 is given, then 14, then 24. Here the difference of 10. See, 4 to 14 means 10 added, then 14 to 24, 10 added. It means here we are skipping 10 numbers. 14 plus 10 become 24. Color this room. After 14, she wants to color the room number 24 in this way. This is the shortcut way. Instead of going 15, 16, 17, 18 like this, she choose the shortcut way on adding 10 in 14. So in this way. Next is, how will I go from 22 to 41? Jump from 22 to 42. Here first this 22 number, after 22 room number, she wants to go on room number 32, then on room number 42. On each step she has to add 10. Here also she had to add 10 each time. And from 42 to 41, here she has to subtract -1. She has to do here -1. Okay, in this way. 22 on adding 10 become 32, then 32 on adding 10 it become 42. Then for 41 she has to subtract -1 here. Then one step left. We can write it like this: 22 plus 20. She added directly 20 to go on 42. Here in this way we gone 10. So she directly added 20 here. After first step, she here for 41 she has subtracted -1 from 42. How many steps did I go in all? So 21 step in all. In this way. यहाँ से उसने स्टार्ट किया है 22 से, तो ओवरऑल 21 स्टेप कवर किए हैं. Okay, next is you could also go this way. From 22 take one step left to 21. Here 22 से 21 जाना है, so taking one step left, it means subtracting -1 here. Then jump 2 up to 41. यहाँ पर 2 jump upward लेनी है. 21 to 31 and 31 to 41. It means 10 plus 10. It means 20 here. So then 2 jumps up to 41. Here in first step, subtracting 22 to 21, it means -1. It will become 21. Then in 21, 2 steps, it means 20 added to get 41. Okay. So left -1, then 2 step upward means +10 directly. 20 added. In next, find my food. Here, painting this room numbers. Now, she wants to find her kitchen. Try this on Kittu's home. Here some more questions are given, fill in the blanks are given. Hey, I have something more interesting for you. Ma told me there are sweets to eat in some rooms. यहाँ पर जो किट्टू है, किट्टू is one ant. So her mother told her she has some sweets in some rooms. So help me to find out that room. जहाँ पर जो स्वीट्स रखी हैं उन्हें फाइंड आउट करने में आप उसकी मदद करेंगे. The answers from the next page will be help you find that room. यहाँ पर जो आंसर्स दिए हैं ना वो फाइंड आउट करने में हेल्प करेंगे हमें. Mark them in my room. So उन्हें हमें मार्क भी करते जाना है इस टेबल में. To find sweets. Here यहाँ पर जो टेबल दिया है उसमें हमें मार्क करते जाना है उन रूम्स को जिसमें स्वीट्स रखी हुई हैं. फर्स्ट इज 10 less than 34. 10 less than 34, it means 34 minus, subtract 10, minus 10, it means it will become 24. So here we have to focus on number 34. On subtracting 10, so it will go downward. It means on this number. तो ये वाला नंबर है 24. This is the 24 number. Next is 53 minus 20. तो 53 minus 20 you all know subtraction. So it will become 33. So 53 से 53 नंबर से हम 20 सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 33. क्या आएगा 33. नेक्स्ट 11 more than 31 is. 11 more than 31. more बोल रहे हैं तो ऐड करना है और सब लेस बोलते हैं तो सब्सट्रैक्ट करना होता है. It will become 42. So here when we are adding 11 in 31 in this way, so it will become 42. This is 42. Okay. Here the answer will be 24. Next is 33. पर आएगा 42.